Nicole here with CellBotics. So I have Cheryl Ward with me, our newest trainer in the Philadelphia location, which is in her cell phone store. And we want to talk about something really exciting, which is work at a cell phone store after class, which we've never had the ability to do because we are not a cell phone store. We are a training center. So this is really, really awesome. So when you go to register, if you book at the Philadelphia location, there's an addition, right? Just check out the price, okay, online, because we're not sure what that's going to be at the time you're watching this video. It could be a year from now, 2 years from now. So go and check for the price, but it's an add-on where you actually can work in the store after class, right? Now, what if they're mobile? What if they want to do mobile?
Yeah, we can do actually a ride along.
Because you did mobile for a long time.
Yeah, I did for a long time.
So she'll take you, if you're like, well, you know, I want to do mobile, I don't want a store. Okay, she'll do some mobile ride along with you to go teach you how do you physically fix a device inside of a car. Right? Also, visit carriers and people you might look at as a competitor.
Exactly.
Franchise cell phone locations.
Yeah.
She has very good relationships in her city where she's located with franchise locations. So she's going to take you over there and let you see what that's like to have that relationship and maintain it. And then if you are opening a store and you want to do the store, it's going to be inside the store, people walking in, you're going to see an intake, actually fixing, how she interacts with them, answering phone calls. So this is something that is not out there. It's completely unique to CellBotics. This is the only opportunity you'd be able to work somewhere without needing any experience to get that job, right?
Exactly.
Or before you open your business, actually see what it's like live, right?
Yes,
Who's going to let you do that? Nobody's going to let you do that.
We believe in you that much.
That's right. We know that sometimes it's just the fear of the unknown. So you take the class, you learn the repair, but then it's like, even when you did it, it's like when I built my business, it's that fear of like, okay, I've been doing mobile, now I got to rent a space.
Yeah, exactly.
You know what I mean? Like, I got to sign a lease, you know? And then, like, how does that even work?
Yeah.
Like, what does it look like when someone walks in? Like, you know what I mean? Like, what's my energy like? And I think those are things that we've learned over time just doing it on our own. But imagine if we could have
experienced it earlier.
Sat in on a store.
I probably would have done it sooner.
Right. Sat in on a store and actually seen what someone does. How much nerve that's going to take down, I think, and anxiety.
Exactly.
So check that out. It's unique to CellBotics. You will not find it anywhere else. And we hope to see you in class.
See you soon.
See you soon.